Hey everyone. So it was brought to my attention by a user on YouTube, Andri. Thank you, Andri. That if you download a zip file of an Unreal project off of GitHub, it doesn't work. And there's a reason for this. It also won't work if you clone it because I'm using Git LFS to handle large file sizes. And unless you have that installed, Git Clone will not work, and zip files don't work whatsoever. So I'm going to show you how to use Git and Git LFS in order to clone the project properly. First thing you need is Git for Windows. This Git bash is necessary to run a Git clone. Go to gitforwindows.org or just Google for this and download it. Once it's downloaded, go ahead and run the setup. All the defaults are pretty okay. Hit next. Use the bundled open SSH. Ignore these and just hit install. You don't need to do anything, just hit finish. Next, you're going to need Git large file storage. You can Google Git LFS or go to git-lfs.github.com. You want to download. Once it's finished downloading, execute it. I accept. Next. Use the default. And it's done. Next, you're going to want to actually run Git bash. So search for it with your Windows and just open it. Then you want to run Git LFS install. And you should see Git LFS initialized. Finally, all you need to do is actually clone the repository. So on your GitHub, go to code, and either you can do the SSH, you'll probably have HTTPS as what you want to do. Hit this thing to copy. Go to a folder where you want to clone the project, such as your documents in your Unreal projects folder. When you right-click, there should be some options here now. Git bash here, and that will open the Git bash in that folder. Type git clone, and then right-click and paste that URL. Hit enter, and it should clone the entire project in here. Now, when you double-click the U project, all of the files are available. Sorry about that. Git Clone and Git LFS are going to be required in order to access the Blueprint-only projects and the C++ projects off of GitHub. But it's a good thing to learn if you ever want to clone other people's projects off of there. The large file sizes of the U assets, the maps, and the models are bigger than text documents that GitHub is usually using, so you do need to use the large file size plugin. There you go. Hopefully this helps. Ask any questions if you're still stuck, and I'll happily help out.